Hey, what's up guys, it's me MC Seth again, coming at you from the spare room. Last time we were talking about party plates in our little tips and tricks video. This time we're going to be talking about something else. So let's get into it, shall we? Right, so we're back over here. And now we're going to generate some more designs from this party plate. And now, of course, this video you've already got because it's in the title. It's about candles and candle sets. So if we just type in set, there we go. We've got the set candle in the jar. Now, if you've got the email, you'll know you'll get the 50% off of this if you've got a wholesale account. That's why I'm doing this video. So I'll only make one of them because they're very simple to make. So just review, confirm. We've done all this before in previous videos. So we're getting quick at this now, aren't we? So let's go in there and let's edit this design. Now you can see you've got two options, small and large. The customer can choose this. So we're just going to make a large one because I always like the factory to scale down. I don't know, I just feel better about it that way. And of course, you can choose the scent. So what we're going to go with this color scheme, maybe orange clove cinnamon. Yep, that'll do. Click the auto size button. I just always do that out of habit just to make sure it's centered and sized correctly. And we can do the same here. And you can see it was slightly off key there, but that is the front of the jar and that was the lid of the jar. And you can see in the final product you get a 3D view. So they're doing a lot of these now, and you'll come across some problems, but obviously you can see on the bottom here it says orange clove and cinnamon because that's the one we chose, and it's got the warning sign. Unfortunately you can't put your branding on there, but you could go back here, go back to the front of the jar, select your images. See, this is why I always got a backup of my branding. Suppose this is another tip for the video. So I've got this in my branding section on the website, but I always keep it as an actual image. So we can resize that and we can put the branding down in the corner. And of course, you can always add text. I was saying this one's a little bit too small. This is quite a big picture. Oh, there we go. So you can have my branding down there. Of course, you can make a smaller branding that can go small because this is designed to be really big. So you can always add text as well and write something on there and add that to the jar too. So you can write the orange clove and cinnamon as well. So that's always a good tip to have. And that's what this video is about, tips. And you get this 3D image as well, which is really good for customers to have a good look around the product that they're about to purchase. And then save and continue. And you know the rest of the process because we've done that for the dress. So I'll see you in another video.